The Yamaha RX125 is a name that echoes with nostalgia, excitement, and respect among motorcycle enthusiasts, particularly in markets where two-stroke machines once ruled the streets. When it comes to YouTube videos that capture the essence of this legendary bike, viewers are treated to a mixture of restoration journeys, performance tests, modification guides, sound checks, and rider experiences that showcase just how iconic the RX125 has become over the years. These videos not only serve as entertainment but also act as a valuable resource for owners and fans of this classic machine. One of the main reasons YouTube content related to the Yamaha RX125 garners consistent views is the bike's legacy. Though it's not as globally recognized as some other Yamaha models like the RX100 or RG350, the RX125 holds a special place in the lineup. It shares many of the characteristics that made the RX series famous: a lightweight frame, responsive two-stroke engine, aggressive styling, and a thrilling power-to-weight ratio. YouTubers who focus on motorcycles often highlight the raw power and simplicity of the RX125, especially when compared to the more complex, heavier, and emission-restricted four-stroke models of today. Many creators start by showcasing the current condition of a Yamaha RX125, often found in old garages, rusty and neglected. These barn-find videos are particularly popular, as they tape into the satisfaction viewers feel watching something old and forgotten come back to life. Detailed restoration series are among the most appreciated video formats. These videos usually cover every aspect of bringing the RX125 back to life, from dismantling the engine and cleaning the carburetor to replacing worn-out parts and repainting the chassis. The satisfying transformation appeals not only to motorcycle fans but also to a broader DIY and restoration audience. Another common type of content revolves around modifications. Since parts for the RX125 can be hard to find depending on the region, many owners and YouTubers turn to creative solutions, such as adapting parts from other Yamaha models or even fabricating custom components. Videos showing porting and polishing of the engine, expansion chamber, exhaust designs, tuning carburetors for maximum performance, and adding aftermarket kits are often viewed thousands of times. These videos are rich with information and provide a hands-on perspective, often including specific part numbers, tips, and tricks learned through experience. Writing reviews also form an integral part of the Yamaha RX125 content on YouTube. These videos take the viewer on a ride through various terrains, from city traffic to open highways to winding countryside roads, allowing them to hear the raw, raspy tone of the two-stroke engine at different RPMs. Content creators often use GoPros and helmet cams to give a first-person perspective, which makes viewers feel like they're riding the bike themselves. Some channels even compare the RX125 with other bikes from its era or similar displacement modern bikes, providing a side-by-side look at performance, comfort, and build quality. A unique appeal of the RX125, which is often highlighted in YouTube videos, is its sound. Two-stroke engines have a very distinct audio signature, and the RX125 is no exception. Videos titled RX125 Two-Stroke Sound Test or Yamaha RX125 with free-flow exhaust often get significant attention from viewers who enjoy hearing that high-pitched, powerful exhaust note. Some content creators even experiment with different exhaust setups to show how they alter the sound and performance of the bike. Tutorials and maintenance guides are another significant part of the RX125 content ecosystem on YouTube. These include step-by-step guides on how to clean the carburetor, adjust the timing, change the clutch plates, or do a full engine rebuild. These videos are particularly helpful for owners who may not have access to a mechanic familiar with older two-stroke engines. Many of these tutorials include detailed close-up shots, voice-over explanations, and even written parts lists in the video descriptions to make them as useful as possible. Community engagement is also a huge part of RX125 YouTube content. Creators often collaborate with other riders, attend vintage bike meets, or document road trips involving groups of RX series motorcycles. These types of videos build a sense of camaraderie and shared passion among or one. This interaction keeps the legacy of the RX125 alive and well in the digital space. The visual appeal of the RX125 is another factor that makes it popular on YouTube. Its simple yet sporty design, classic Yamaha decals, and old-school analog dials make it photogenic and instantly recognizable. Many videographers use cinematic techniques to highlight these features. Slow-motion shots of the wheels spinning, close-ups of the tachometer needle bouncing as the engine revs, or wide landscape shots of the bike cutting through foggy roads. These visuals are not only aesthetically pleasing but also evoke a deep emotional response, especially from viewers who grew up around this bike. In terms of monetization and content growth, Yamaha RX125 videos can be surprisingly effective. While they may not pull in massive numbers of superbike content or MotoGP race highlights, their niche appeal ensures consistent engagement. Creators who regularly upload RX125 content tend to build a dedicated subscriber base that values authenticity and depth over flashy editing or viral trends. Some creators even expand their content to include other bikes in the RX series or vintage motorcycle culture in general, allowing their channels to grow without losing their core audience. To sum it up, YouTube videos about the Yamaha RX125 are more than just a tribute to an old motorcycle. They are a living archive of mechanical passion, technical skill, and cultural nostalgia. Whether it's a teenager tuning his first two-stroke bike, an older rider reliving his youth, or a mechanic showing off his restoration skills, the RX125 continues to inspire and entertain across generations. YouTube serves as the perfect platform for this legacy to continue, where the roar of a two-stroke engine rides on, frame by frame, throttle by throttle. Let me know if you'd like this article in a specific format, like blog, caption script, or narrated voiceover.